Unlock the unexpected connection between spirituality and wealth and the law of attraction for attracting abundance. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Many of us start our entrepreneurial ventures seeking not only financial success, but also personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose. And that's where the wealth mindset comes into play. When I began my journey as a digital marketing content creator for spiritual entrepreneurs, I was unsure of how to reconcile my spiritual beliefs with the pursuit of wealth. It took me a while to understand that my passion for helping others and my entrepreneurial aspirations could coexist beautifully. As I embraced a wealth mindset, I found that my business began to take shape, and I experienced a newfound sense of joy and purpose. One of the keys to harmoniously blending spirituality and wealth is to align your business practices with your personal spiritual values. Your business is an extension of yourself, and when you infuse it with your core beliefs, it becomes a force for positive change. Staying true to your spiritual values will attract like-minded individuals. Combining spirituality and wealth fuels your personal growth. Spiritual practices like meditation, journaling, and self-reflection can lead to profound insights about yourself and your business. I can vouch for the tremendous impact that regular meditation has had on my clarity of thought and decision-making skills. It's like having a direct line to your intuition. Throughout history, numerous successful entrepreneurs have attributed their achievements to this spiritual practice. Take the late Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, for example. He famously practiced Zen Buddhism, which influenced his innovative approach to product designs and business strategy. When you nurture your spirituality, you tap into a well of creativity and inspiration that can propel your business to new heights. When you work on nurturing your spiritual self, you create a harmonious balance between your mind and your body. This balance empowers you to make informed decisions, take calculated risks, and attract abundance into your life. I noticed a significant shift in my financial situation when I began practicing gratitude daily. Each morning, I would take a moment to be thankful for the opportunities, clients, and resources that came my way. It wasn't long before I started witnessing unexpected financial breakthroughs in unexpected ways. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put into the universe is the energy that will be returned to you. When you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desire for wealth and success, you become a magnet for abundance. Manifestation techniques such as visualization and affirmations amplifies this process and help you manifest in your business and in your life. To begin nurturing your spiritual wealth in your business and in your life, start your day with a short meditation or mindfulness exercise. It will set a positive tone for the rest of your day, helping you to stay focused and centered amidst the hustle and bustle of entrepreneurship. Identify a meaningful purpose that aligns with your spiritual values and incorporate them into your business mission. This sense of purpose will motivate you and resonate with your target audience. Keep a gratitude journal and jot down 3 things you're grateful for on a daily basis. This simple practice will shift your focus from scarcity to abundance, attracting positive experience into your life. As a spiritual entrepreneur, you may encounter challenges and skepticism from others regarding the link between spirituality and wealth. Remember, every journey has its ups and downs, and staying true to your beliefs can sometimes be daunting. Here's how you can navigate through these obstacles. Stay authentic to your principles and let them guide your business decisions. When you remain true to yourself, you attract customers who resonate with your vision and value. Take the opportunity to educate others about the positive impact of spirituality on business success. Share your experiences and insights with your audience. Enlighten them about the transformative potential of spirituality in entrepreneurship. As you explore the unexpected connection between spirituality and wealth, I encourage you to embrace your spiritual journey with an open heart and a curious mind. Remember, the path to prosperity is not just about monetary gain. It's about discovering a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment by cultivating a wealth mindset, infusing spirituality into your business, business and nurturing personal growth, you'll find that success and abundance naturally flows into your life. So believe in yourself and your spiritual values and watch as your business flourish like never before. Happy entrepreneuring! Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Want to read the full blog article? Click on the link below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.